Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to purchase items from the Alliance store in Last Z Survival Shooter. Alright, let's begin. To purchase items from the Alliance store, you first need to enter your Alliance menu and open the Shop section. The Shop displays a limited number of items that members can buy using individual Alliance credits. These credits are earned by donating to Alliance Technology. Every time you donate, you receive individual credits, and at the same time, your Alliance also earns Alliance credits. Some special items, such as Alliance teleporters, may not appear in the shop immediately. In this case, you need to request help from your Alliance leader or officers. Only Alliance administrators, usually R4 or R5 members, can use Alliance credits to exchange items in the Alliance storehouse. When an administrator exchanges an item, it is added to the Alliance shop and becomes available for all members to purchase. For example, if an administrator exchanges an advanced teleporter, the quantity of that item increases in the shop. Members can then buy it using their own individual credits. This system ensures that donations benefit both the Alliance and its members. So that's basically how you can purchase items from the Alliance store in Last Z Survival Shooter. That's it for this video. Thanks.